What's up, guys? Today we have a real simple basic installation. We have a 2005 Chevy Express 3500 van. This is going to be my dad's tow rig, actually. Just a good backup tow rig, or he likes to pick up old cars and work on them too, so he'll need something to tow his stuff around. We got a Curt hitch, 130 bucks shipped. 10,000 pound capacity. Came with all the hardware and the wiring kit. And all you should need to put it on, if you live in the north, you'll need a grinder to grind away some of the rust on the frame rails, some undercoating to prevent more rust later on, and a 19mm socket. So let's get to it. So here's what we're doing with the grinder. Just basically want to get it flat again and smooth and have a nice surface for the hitch to sit up against. There's a bunch of rust on there and stuff. It won't sit flush and could lead to problems eventually. There's another one of the anchor points up there, so that's all you're trying to do. Now we'll undercoat it. So now that we got a nice, clean, flat, undercoated surface, we're going to get our bag of bolts here. And it comes with these plates to hold the carriage bolts, because they have a square drive on the end. And your 19mm nuts. And we're going to pop that hitch in. Got the carriage bolts with the backing plates all in. Now I'm just going to slide the hitch up. Alright, so we got the carriage bolts through with the nuts on. And all you have to do is take a 19 and torque them to 110 pounds if you have a torque wrench. Fully installed. Alright guys, so we hooked up our trailer lights. Seems to all be working perfectly fine. We just have them kind of zip tied up in there. Running over here behind the bumper. And then found a hole in this particular van. Ran it right through there. I put some extra wire loom on there just to give it some protection. The rest is pretty simple, just plugging it in here. We had to run a little ground. Make sure you clean the surface for the ground, and then I just put a little paint over it just for protection. But the harness just plugs right into those stock plugs. So you just ran the wiring up and across to the other side and plugged it in there, and the install is complete. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you like the video, subscribe for more installs and cool car videos. Thanks.